Hi, so my name is Jordan Trainer, and I am presenting about liver cancer, and the target population that this presentation is aimed at are people ages 17 to 24. So to start off, I thought I would share some important facts and statistics. Um, Liver cancer is the sixth out of the most common cancers across the world. While 83% of people live with liver cancer are found in underdeveloped countries, it is still the second most common cause of deaths related to cancer. 3.5% of deaths related to cancer were caused by alcohol in 2009. This statistic was found in an article where a group of 116 students ages 17 to 24 at a college campus were asked questions about binge drinking and how it could increase the risk of cancer. 88% of these students said that if there was a bigger risk of cancer from excessive drinking, then they would decide to stop drinking in excess. So, how big of a risk is it to you? How much alcohol do you plan to drink in the next month? These are some of the questions that these students were asked, and until they were asked these questions, the thought of liver cancer never really crossed their mind. Some risk factors. While most teens and college-age students may only be concerned about whether their intake of alcohol could cause cancer to them, the truth is that they are also at risk of contracting hepatitis B or C. This virus is obtained through sharing of unsterilized needles or unprotected sex. So, chronic hepatitis B or C, since it's a risk factor for liver cancer, it's important that these students and this population age know that while they are engaging in maybe drug activity, sexual activity, and excessive drinking, that they are putting themselves at risk for hepatitis B or C that could lead to the liver cancer in the future. Another risk factor, of course, is liver disease. So prevention, simple focus for people in this age group would be healthy habits, protected sex, and regular exercise. That's a great place to start. While liver cancer may not present itself until later in life, it is important to live a lifestyle that could prevent it now. The best ways to prevent liver cancer start with developing these healthy habits. Some other healthy habits and prevention techniques include limiting alcohol intake, eating the healthy diet, exercising regularly, and, as I said before, only engaging in protected sex. Formulating these strong habits now can protect you from future complications. Signs and symptoms that will occur while liver cancer is so common, it is particularly difficult to diagnose because it can go undetected in the earlier stages. So people may have it for quite a while until symptoms present themselves. Some of the first symptoms that you may see would be dark urine output, light-colored stools, fever, fatigue, appetite loss, weight loss, and abdominal pain or discomfort. So these are things to look for. And here is my reference page. Here's the references, and thank you for watching.